Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If anybody knows what song this is, please leave it in the comment section because I have no idea and it's bugging me. So today we are going to Fushimi Inari, and I just wanted to show you guys before you even get there, there's a ton of food that you can go buy outside of the shrine, and I would highly suggest eating that or making sure that you have food or snacks or something, because if you go all the way to the top, this is going to be a hike. You guys will all have to forgive me for this, but I totally didn't record what I ate, but I ate the butabara, the pork belly, and damn, that was good. We started down here and went through here, and here we are. We're still gonna go a lot. 行こう。じゃあ行こう。行けるとこまで行こう。行きましょう。
ピクチャーのポイントとしてはもうこの辺が一番いいって、ここからこれまでは鳥やつ。これは鳥っていうぐらいになってくるから、ピクチャーとしてはこの辺りが一番。
分かった。
まあでも行く1時間行って帰ってくるので1時間じゃないかな。分かんない。俺も1回しか行ったことないもん。でこの辺まで行って帰ってきたのかな、覚えてないけど、ここまでは行ったけど大変だった。
この鳥がそこ。
ヘビーよヘビー。
ずっとこの山の上、これ全体が
頑張ります。
だから
先頭。
So you could exit there if you're not crazy, and then if you are, you can keep going. So that's what we're gonna do. Because this is amazing. This place is majestic. I honestly felt like I was in a movie the entire time. This is mine, and I think every other American's worst enemy. The stairs. So as I said before throughout this video, and will say throughout the video, it is kind of a hike. It's gonna be a long way up. It is hot. It's gonna be a little bit difficult, right? But there's a lot of points as you're going up that you can stop and rest, like this one, or even turn around if you like. There's usually vending machines for water or whatever you're looking for. On the way up, there is also going to be different opportunities that you'll have to pray or buy good luck charms or take photos. It's more than just walking up a bunch of gates and getting to the top and turning back around. We stopped pretty much whenever we had the chance to either just drink water that we had in our backpacks or to just take a rest and try and cool off.
Give up point part 1.
Yeah.
It's hot. Sweaty. Sweaty. My leg hurts. Excuse me.
That's true. All is true. Kaimono?
Shopping on Amazon? That's what I
Yep.
I gotta buy all the shit before I get home.
Have you been shopping while you've been out here?
Yeah. I've been buying stuff that I'm like, I might need this when I get home.
Just get home like, that's a good idea. Your parents are like, boxes just keep showing up. Ii kanji.
It's fucking hot. What's not hot? It's humid.
Fucking atsu.
the humid part.
Yeah, no, it's the humidity that's getting it. It's like water. So we got in the pool.
I'm good. I ain't about to give no face up my
You scared of no face man? Eh? Hey, it says they've seen boars running around up here. A jumping spider. So one spider, that was all it took, man. I was out of here. Totally ran. Oh my god.
Boars have been stopped.
Boars have been stopped here. So my friend made a good point. If you go to the top, which is really hard to get all the way up here, but if you go to the top, it's good because not as many people come up here and it's really empty. And then you won't get like the same picture that everybody else has been getting. So it's kind of cool. Lots of mosquitoes. We finally made it to the top. Oh my god. It feels like we were just doing this for like our whole life. Like we were born at the bottom and we walked up. And we're sweaty. We started down there and we came all the way up to there. Really far.
No. 2お辞儀して、でパンパン、そしてワンワン。
眠すぎから。
オッケーオッケー。
I was like,
間違えて。パンパン。
We've entered the spirit world. It was about this point on our way back where I realized I was dead tired. I'm like, no, it's because I prayed wrong. It's really peaceful. Chick-fil-A is just a yes. It's all the time a yes. If somebody asks me if I want Chick-fil-A, yes.
Except Sunday.
Except for Sunday. Still want Chick-fil-A. It's just Sunday though.
It's always has to be Sunday for some reason. I'm like, let's go get Chick-fil-A. I realize Sunday.
Mm-hmm.
Like today.
Yeah, right? We're not even in the right country for Chick-fil-A when you think about it. Beautiful nature. I wanted to make sure that I left this in the video, not only to document Chris's experience, but also to show you guys a little bit on how to clean your hands at a temizura, which is this. It's the fountain. After you clean your hands, then this one actually gives you a little stick which will include a number on it, which will give you your fortune.
27。俺の隣。
27.
ああ、わかんない。吉と今日。
でも悪くない。
まあまあまあまあ。
まあまあか。
まあまあ。
いいよ、それでいい。
今日やけんね、一応。
Looks like we've made it. Only a little further more to go. Then we'll be on the road. Back here again.
I don't want to get this one taken. It's funny.
We made it all the way out. We're hella exhausted, so we're probably gonna go home right now. And it's a little bit late, so the other place is kind of like closed. But we're gonna go home and get some food, relax, because look, I am drenched with sweat. But got a good luck charm for good health and good luck. And we just got so.